Hi again. Welcome to part 3 of our back to school reminders. The agenda for this section is focusing on shadowing requirements, survey and research requests, our intern and practicum students, and our new counselor mentors. So just some reminders as it comes to shadowing requests. We get a lot of these requests throughout the entire school year. So if an individual is already in a master's, specialist, doctorate, it could be a higher level school counseling program that is KCREP accredited, then they may shadow you or your team in your building. You need to make sure that you do have your principal's permission, and they should be able to send you a form from their university. If you have any questions, you're welcome to send the information or the request to me directly, and we can consult on that. Otherwise, if they are not in a school counseling program, we cannot give them permission to shadow in your building. Even if they are given permission, we need to ensure that they are not working with students. They are there to shadow you and see what it's like to be a school counselor, but they are not there to be working with your students. Again, if you have any questions about this, you are always welcome to consult with either me or Alex about those requests. You also receive a lot of research requests throughout the school year, and these numbers seem to be increasing every semester. So just remember that all survey and research requests must be approved by our Cobb County IRB process before we're allowed to participate with outside providers. The one exception is when we get those time surveys from the DOE, and we do have to participate in those. Again, if you get some that you are unsure about, feel free to send them to me. And I'm also glad to reach out to graduate students or to professors and help them through the IRB process. So it's not that we want to turn people away, we just want them to understand the process that they need to go through. Our interns and our practicum students have all been placed for the fall semester, so thank you so much if you are hosting one of these students. Again, all of these requests must come through our office. So if you're contacted by a potential student or by a school, just send them my way, and we are glad to give them the information and the application for future semesters. We are, however, looking for new counselor mentors. So we have a great group of new counselors. We would love for them to be paired up with amazing mentors. It is not a huge time commitment on your part. There is a meeting at the beginning of the year where you all get to meet each other in person. And other than that, it's a lot of just email correspondence, maybe some phone correspondence throughout the year. They might come out and shadow you in your building, but it's really just giving them a person that they can connect with outside of their own building when they have questions or just need a voice of reason. So think about being a new counselor mentor, and there's a link there that you can fill out the form. And that is it for this version of Back to School Reminders. Just be sure to sign off. Thanks so much.